Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this locomotive over here, that's WDM2 locomotive. So we'll continue it further. So now what I'll be doing over here is let's go into this. We'll start modeling this windows over here and the door part. So let's take a swift loop over here. So let's take a swift loop and let's assign some loops over here. So I'll go into this. So let's select the edges and let's scale it. I'll just drag this down. Again I'll take one more loop over here in this way. So let's select the polygons. Let's select the polygons and slightly I'll extrude it a bit inside in this way. So if you want, I can just delete it, or I'll just keep it later on, I'll delete it. So now I'll again go over here and let's take a rectangle. For the window section, I'll slightly drag this out. So convert to poly. Let's add a swift loop over here in this way. So select the polygons and let's extrude it slightly a bit inside. I'll just end isolate it. So I'll again take one more copy over here. I'll slightly just drag this a bit inside. Again I'll duplicate it and I'll place this over here. So similarly again I'll go over here, I'll extrude it a bit inside and let's mirror it, copy it in y-axis. So I'll just place it in this way over here. So once it is done, okay, so we do have something to be modeled over here. So let's go into this. Let's take auto grid and let's take a box over here. So I'll just drag this out. So I'll convert to poly. Select the polygons, I'll slightly just push it in this way. Slightly shuffle this up. Scale it. Let's select the polygons and let's bevel a bit. So before beveling it, I'll slightly extrude it and let's go into the edges. I'll slightly push it a bit out in this way. So select the polygons again. Let's put one more swift loop and let's extrude it out in this way. Just drag it a bit inside in this way. Again I'll go over here, I'll put one more loop and let's again extrude it. So shuffle it a bit inside, drag it in this way. So let's select it and let's extrude it a bit out in this way. So let's just use the swift loop over here. So I'll add some more swift loop. So select the polygons and let's extrude it by local normal, drag it inside. So again I'll go over here, select the vertices and let's drag it out in this way. So again I'll go into this, I'll take a rectangle, just drag this in this way. So convert to editable spline. So select the vertices. So let's give a bit of fillet to it. So I'll go over here, enable in viewport in this way. So let's again take a cylinder. So I'll convert to poly. Let's take a cylinder over here. You can slightly push it out. So let's rotate a bit in this way. So convert to poly. Select the polygons and extrude by local normal. Alright. So let's take a box. So again I'll go to the top over here and I'll take a box over here. Now I'll shuffle this up. So there are some details over here. So again I'll go onto this, take a cylinder. I'll just activate the auto grid over here. I'll reduce the height segments. So convert to poly. Select the polygons. Extrude it by local normal. And keep on extruding it in this way. So later on we can just scale it according to the needs over here. So I'll just push this a bit down in this way. So let's go to the top view and drag it till here. So again I'll duplicate it. So I'll just mirror it in Z axis and let's copy this over here. So select the polygons and let's extrude it out in this way. Let's again add some segments. Let's just push it in this way. Now slightly I'll shuffle this a bit up over here in this way. Alright. So select the polygons. Again I'll extrude it slightly and let's drag it in this way. So over here I'll again go into this front view and take a line. So I'll just drag this, push it down. So we can slightly resize this over here. Slightly shuffle this down. That's it. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So long way to go over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.